Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I've got an unboxing from MelodySusie again, and it is a different e-file this time. I've already showed you the normal like white one. I use that for doing gel toes all of the time, and now they've sent me their newest addition to their e-file family. So this is what it looks like. Let's open it up. It looks absolutely stunning from what I can see so far. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. It's so much heavier as well, actually. This one's definitely heavier than the white one. So this is the top of it and how it works. You've got the speed dial, which will come up on the screen, forwards and reverse, and then that to plug it in, of course. So let's just get everything out. Oh, we've got some e-file bits as well, which is exciting. I'm definitely going to use those then, because I was going to do my nails, so I might take my colour off with them just so you can see how I get on. There's also a cuticle bit kit in here, you can see. I'll definitely use that one. Absolutely love that bit. I always use it. That's the one that I use in like every single video I've got on my channel, as you can see here. Just put back where I got it from. So yeah, they're all in there. This is really good for cleaning your e-file bits and getting everything from between the teeth on your bits like that. And they're also good for cleaning around the nail as well, and underneath the nail, getting those nice and clean. So you can use them for all sorts. So there's that in there. And then we've got two bits. We've got this one, which is a medium cylinder. I love these type. And then I've also got this one, which you just briefly saw. It doesn't actually say on it what it is, but it is this one. So as well as that, we've got the holder, of course, and then we've got, oh, I haven't even took the actual handpiece out. That would probably be useful, wouldn't it? Let's have a look what this looks like. I do like that the handpieces are nice and slim. I always keep these as well to keep in the end of it, because it's always best to keep either a bit or one of these in the end of your handpiece. But yeah, that is beautiful. Nice and streamlined as well, super thin. So I'm going to plug it in to there, so it just goes into there. And then obviously you've got your plug. So that is to hold this. And then it attaches to the side. Obviously, I don't know if you saw my last video, but I just could not get my head around what this little plastic thing was for. Definitely should have looked into it before I did the video, but obviously now I know, so I can tell you that that is what it's for. I suppose it's really good for keeping it nice and neat and travelling as well, to be fair, which is good. I'm going to pop that in there with that. I'm going to take this out, because I'm going to charge it so I can use it. Obviously, I don't know about this one in specific, but my other one, the white one that I'm talking about that I have from MelodySusie, which is basically the same as this, but like I said, it's a lot lighter and it's white. That one, the charge lasts ages. I mean, to be fair, I don't use it as much as I do my main e-file, like that I use on clients every single day. I only use the other one for toes, so it's not all the time. But yeah, it's, let me just pop this on this adapter. So it comes in an adapter as well, which is very handy if you live in the UK. But anyway, yeah, so the other one, the charge lasts a really long time. Excuse me, just fighting with my plug to plug that in. And then it comes up on the screen here that it's charging. You can just about see it because the light's reflecting off it. There we go. Okay, so I've just had a little play around with it just so I know exactly how I'm using it, obviously, before I show you. So just make sure you can see the screen. It's got a little protector on it, so it's a bit darker than it would be, but get my head out the way. So this just shows that it's charging. And then if you hold down this button, it will turn it on. And then you can see it says here it's paused at the moment. And if you click it here, it'll say run, and that's when you can turn it for it to turn on. And then you can press it again for it to be on pause, so you can turn it as much as you want and it doesn't come on because it's paused. I'm just going to press it again. and then I'm going to use it to just take the polish off one or two of my nails, just to see how this bit works as well, because I don't really use ceramic bits, to be honest. All of mine are carbide, so it'd be nice to use something different, see if this works as well or better, or you know, whatever. Just get rid of some stuff off my desk. I've actually got some space to make mess without affecting everything around me. Close up the box. The boxes they come in are beautiful. I actually keep the other one that I was sent in its box, like not with all all this polystyrene and stuff in it. I take all that out so it's easier to put in and out every time, but I do keep it in there just for safekeeping, and it would also be good to keep it in there if you were traveling with it as well. So I've just got it to run. I'm going to put it on 22,000, which is what I'd use a efile bit like this on. I'm going to do a pinky so it won't be as obvious. It's coming off nice and easy. The bit itself sounds really loud, but the e-file is really, really quiet. Honestly, you can barely hear it. I like this bit actually. I love bits that are this shape. So now I've done one with that, I'm going to just turn it off. It speeds up and slows down really quickly as well, which I like. So I'm going to take that one out. I'm going to use the other bit that they sent me, see how that one works. I don't really ever tend to use bits like this, like the big wider ones, but I'm going to see how it works. Let's turn it up to 23,000. There we go. It's a weird sound. I'll turn it up a little bit. Now, I do find that the portable e-files don't have as much power as the desktop ones. I think that's obviously, like, that's going to happen. They're not mains powered, they're battery powered. Well, they are mains powered, obviously, but it's a battery that you charge, so that makes a lot of sense on why it wouldn't. But I do actually really like these e-files. I actually like this bit more than I thought I would as well, to be honest. I don't typically work with bits like this, but I don't hate it, which is good. So I'll definitely get use out of it, which is nice. But yeah, they've both worked really well. I do definitely prefer the other bit, just because that's my preference. Like, it's not any better or worse than this one. It's just what I like. Obviously, everyone likes different things. But they're both good. They both do the job that they are intended for. And I have got lots of, I did forget to mention actually when filing it off, I have got lots of layers of polish on. If you didn't watch me do these nails, I've got, just turn that up way too much. I've got, yeah, lots and lots of layers on of polish. So the fact that this is just gliding straight through that, there's no heat in the handpiece, there's no heat in the bit itself. I've got 3 coats of gel polish on. Obviously my stamped design on these two, and then a layer of top coat on top of that. So I've got 4 coats of polish on. And as you can see, it's just going straight through them, which is really, really good. Just going really gentle around this area because it's obviously very close to my actual nail. I don't want to cause any damage because, as you can see, I already damaged my sidewalls enough with a hand file, so I don't need to do that with an e-file as well. But yeah, I'm really happy with this bit actually. I'll definitely use this more. Might even buy a couple, might attempt me to buy a couple of ceramic bits. I don't tend to use them. I don't have a reason for it, to be honest. I've just always naturally bought carbide, so I know everyone's different and there's a lot of people out there who do use ceramics, so I might have to have a more varied choice and actually get some in. I'm happy with this one. But yeah, so as you can see from the demo, it definitely works. Their efile bits are fab. The efile itself works, which is always a bonus. But yeah, like I said, I do use these types of e-files for toes all the time. I think they're really, really handy for that because I sit on the floor to do toes in my nail studio. So these are really, really handy to just have in this box because I empty it out. I'm going to do that now actually and pop it in. I empty it of all the stuff so it's easier to fit it in and out instead of putting everything in individual boxes. That takes far too long. I'm going to put this in here as well. And it fits really well. In fact, I'm actually gonna pop that plastic lid on it because that'll be even better in the box. And I'm gonna leave that bit in just to make sure that it's always got one in, and then obviously when you put it away, don't forget to turn it off as well, which is done, like I said earlier, by just holding down that button. And I'm just gonna pop it in there and then make sure that the lid is nice and neat. Pop this bit in as well. I usually, like in my other box that I've done this with my other MelodySusie e-file, I've put in a mandrel bit of some sanding bands as well because I use those for toes every time, so I don't have to remember to take some down onto the floor with me because I know they're in my e-file box, but they just fit perfectly in these boxes and they're beautiful anyway. It's a really, really stunning box. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and the rest of me doing my nails will be in a separate video, obviously, because that's not what this video is for. It's just to demonstrate and show you that new e-file. But as you can see, it worked very well. Got no, what's it called, left gel polish. It's nice and smooth. But yeah, I will see you very soon in another video. Any information on this e-file will be in my description box with the discount code as usual, and I'll be back very soon with my next video. Bye.